Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Densurefit Upper is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions available today for anyone seeking to improve their oral health and confidence, offering a revolutionary approach to dental care that promises not only a brighter smile but also enhanced comfort and functionality. This advanced product is designed with cutting-edge technology to address common dental concerns, making it a standout choice for consumers who prioritize quality and results in their personal wellness journey. Number 5. MasterMedi Zinc Oxide Eugenol Cement Dental Care Kit. Introducing the MasterMedi Zinc Oxide Eugenol Cement Dental Care Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for all your dental needs. It offers high strength and is suitable for instant fillings, bridges, and caps. Its versatility makes it a go-to for various dental applications. This product is self-curing and self-adherent, ensuring a secure and lasting bond. It simplifies the application process for professionals. Featuring a universal shade, it blends seamlessly with natural teeth. This ensures a discreet and aesthetically pleasing result. The kit includes 20 gm of powder, 10 milliliters of liquid, a mixing pad, a measuring spoon, and a leaflet for instructions. Everything you need is right here. Formulated with reliable zinc oxide eugenol, it provides a trusted solution for dental cementation. Experience the quality and effectiveness it offers. What we like. This product offers a high-strength, self-curing solution for instant fillings, bridges, and caps. If you need a reliable and universal shade cement for temporary or emergency dental repairs, this is a great choice. It's ideal for quick fixes when you can't get to the dentist immediately. What people say. Awesome results. It takes time to properly mix and set, but once set properly, the results even in front teeth where a large amount of pressure and use, it's really solid and works well. I have had a front tooth repair and a molar that was broke to the gum line that I repaired 2 weeks ago, and they are still in place, and I have actually was able to completely chew ice on the right side of my mouth for the first time in 15 years, and the repair is still perfectly in place. Mixing the paste was super easy and the prep instructions were very clear. I put my veneer back onto my tooth expecting it to last a few days max. It stayed on for 5 weeks. This was more than enough time to set an appointment with the dentist to get it fixed permanently. I was so impressed with the quality and effectiveness. Number 4. Dentemp Reline-it Denture Reline Kit, 3-pack. Are your dentures feeling loose and uncomfortable? Our advanced formula kit can help refit and tighten them, providing a secure and comfortable fit for both upper and lower dentures. This easy-to-use kit contains everything you need to reline your dentures in just minutes. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a better fit without the need for messy adhesives. Achieve a custom fit that makes your loose dentures feel like new again. This soft reliner ensures a snug and secure fit, offering long-lasting comfort and relief from irritation. Getting a perfect fit is easy. Simply mix the included powder and liquid, apply to your moist gums and palate, and bite down for 6 minutes. Anyone can achieve great results by following the instructions. We are committed to providing the safest, highest quality oral care products. You can trust our advanced formula to deliver the best possible experience for your denture needs. Please note that our packaging may vary as we transition to a new design. Rest assured, the formula remains unchanged and is the high-quality product you expect. What we like. This kit provides a soft, custom fit for both upper and lower dentures, making loose ones feel like new. If you're experiencing irritation from ill-fitting dentures and want a comfortable, secure hold without adhesives, this is the solution. It's perfect for those seeking long-lasting comfort and a snug fit at home. What people say. When my dentures started feeling loose and causing some irritation, I decided to give this at-home reliner a try, hoping for a quick and easy fix without a trip to the dentist. Once applied, the reliner created a noticeably snugger and more comfortable fit for my dentures, both upper and lower, which was a significant improvement over the constant slipping and discomfort I had been experiencing. The instructions are very clear and easy to follow. You just mix the powder and liquid, apply it to the denture, and then bite down to get a custom fit. Number 3. Super Poligrip Extra Care Denture Adhesive Cream. Experience a strong, all-day hold that keeps your denture securely in place. Feel confident and comfortable throughout your day. Our advanced formula helps prevent gum irritation. It creates a comfortable barrier for a safe and secure fit. Enjoy your meals with confidence. It seals out up to 74% more food particles, giving you peace of mind. This zinc-free cream creates a comfortable layer between your dentures and gums. Achieve a secure and natural feel. Rest assured, it contains no artificial colors or flavors. Enjoy a clean and pure experience. The convenient ooze control tip ensures you use just the right amount. Get precise application every time. What we like. This offers a strong, all-day hold while preventing gum irritation and sealing out food particles. If you're looking for a zinc-free option that ensures a comfortable fit and prevents embarrassing food debris from getting under your dentures, this is the one. Its ooze control tip makes application precise and mess-free. What people say. The Densurefit Upper is a game-changer for anyone missing teeth. It fits securely and comfortably, allowing you to eat and speak with confidence. The customizability of the Densurefit Upper is impressive. You can easily adjust the fit and appearance to match your natural teeth, creating a seamless look. The Densurefit Upper is made from high-quality, durable materials that are designed to last. It's a cost-effective solution for restoring your smile and improving your quality of life. Number 2. ProSoft Denture Reline-Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the ProSoft Denture Reline-Kit, designed for comfort and a secure fit. This kit offers a soft and flexible solution for your denture needs. Are your dentures feeling loose? This kit effectively tightens and cushions them, providing a more comfortable and stable experience throughout your day. Our Soft Denture Reline Kit is formulated without zinc, ensuring a gentle and safe application. You can feel confident using it daily. Proudly made in the United States, this product meets high-quality standards. You can trust in its craftsmanship and reliability. Each package contains enough material for 4 individual relines, ensuring you have ample supply. This value-packed kit is designed to serve you well. You'll receive 2 boxes in total, providing even more value and convenience. This ensures you're well-stocked for your denture care needs. What we like. This provides a soft, flexible reline that tightens and cushions your dentures for enhanced comfort. If you prefer a zinc-free option and need to address looseness and discomfort in your dentures, this kit is an excellent choice. It's designed for those who want to improve the feel and fit of their existing dentures. What people say. It's much easier on your gums than some of the thermoplastics. It sticks to your plate better, and doesn't deform over time, especially if you sleep with it. It has a nice cushiony feel to it. Working time was longer for this product, quite a bit longer than I've experienced with the other 2. This was awesome, because it allowed me to get things just right. Not having to hurry or lose it is such a relief. The color is really pleasing. It matches the color of my denture so closely I had to use a flashlight to make sure I had all surfaces covered. Number 1. Fixodent Complete Original Denture Adhesive Cream. Introducing Fixodent Complete Original Denture Adhesive Cream. Experience a strong, all-day hold that keeps your denture securely in place. Its powerful seal effectively prevents food particles from getting trapped between your dentures and gums. Enjoy confidence and comfort throughout your day. This formula is designed to help prevent gum soreness. Achieve a more comfortable and secure denture fit with every application. Trust the brand recommended by dentists. It's the #1 dentist-recommended denture adhesive brand for a reason. Whether you wear full or partial plates, this adhesive is perfect for you. Enjoy a reliable and comfortable experience. What we like. This offers a powerful, all-day hold with a seal that helps prevent food from getting between your dentures and gums. If you're seeking a reliable, dentist-recommended brand that also helps prevent gum soreness for a more comfortable experience, this is your go-to. It's suitable for both full and partial plate denture wearers. What people say. It provides a strong, dependable hold that lasts throughout the day, which really helps with comfort and confidence. The cream applies easily and spreads evenly without feeling gritty. This adhesive will keep them in place up to 36 hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.